Hi students, today we are going to see how to compare numbers. We are comparing the numbers to see which of the two numbers is greater. We are going to compare number with the signs greater than and less than. To compare number, you need to follow only two steps. First step is count the number of digits in each number. Let us see an example. Compare the numbers 83,16,948 and 5,21,168. To compare these two numbers, we are going to write both the numbers separately and then we are going to count number of digits. First number is having 7 digits and second number is having 6 digits. And as we know that number 7 is greater than number 6. So, number with a greater number digits is greater. That's why 83,16,948 is greater than 5,168. And second example, compare the numbers 3,16,948 and 51,21,168. So first we'll count the number of digits in each number. First number is having 6 digits and second number is having 7 digits, and we know that 7 is greater than 6. So number with a greater number of digits is greater number. That's why 3,16,948 is less than 51,21,168. Easy. Third example. Now here we'll compare 36,758 and 1,25,768. So as we are comparing the number of digits, we come to know that 6,758 is less than 25,768. Next example. Here again we'll count the number of digits. In the numbers 21,36,758, there are how many digits are there? 7 digits in the first number and 6 digits in the second number. 7 is greater than 6. So first number 21,36,758 is greater than 7,25,768. Again we'll see more examples. Now here we are going to compare the number 18,46,758 with 2,21,768. Now first count the number of digits and you will come to know that the first number 18,46,758 is greater than 2,25,768. Now here I have given a lot of examples for the practice. And by seeing these examples, you will come to know or you will be able to understand which number is greater number. Now, if number of digits will be same, then what we'll do? For that, second step. Compare digit of the given numbers from the highest place. Let us see an example. 59,46,948 and 59,91,168. Here if you will see, both the numbers are having same number of digits. So what we are going to do? We are going to place both the numbers in place value chart. After placing them in the place value chart, we need to compare digits at the highest value place. Look at the highest place, that is 10 lakhs. Digits are 5 and 5. Both are same. So we'll go to the next place, that is lakhs place. Here the digits are 9 and 9. Both are same, so we'll move on further on a 10,000 place. And if you'll see over here, The numbers are 4 and 9. Here, as we know, 9 is greater than 4. So, the number with the 9 number will be the greater number. That is 59,91,168 will be the greater number than the 59,46,948. Again, we'll follow the same rules and we'll solve this example. We'll place both the numbers, that is 72,46,948 and 75,46,168 in place value chart. And now we'll start comparing each digit from the highest place. That is 10 lakhs, 7, both are same. We'll go to the lakhs place. Here if you'll see, the numbers are 2 and 5. Number 5 is greater than 2. So number 75,46,168 is a greater number than 72,46,948. Next example. Again we'll place both the numbers in place value chart as they are having same number of digits. After placing them, we are going to compare each digit from the highest place. Remember this, from the highest place. So first, that is on the tens lakhs place, 6. So both these numbers are same. So we'll go to the next place. In the lakhs place, the numbers are 8 and 3. So number 8 is greater than number 3. That's why 68,91,948 is greater than 63,91,168. I have given some more example for the practice. So by referring these examples, you can practice to compare numbers.